Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another luxury jewelry unboxing from Abbott Lyon. And if you haven't heard of them, I have talked about them on my channel before, but they are this incredible luxury jewelry brand that has so many beautiful pieces. They also do free customization on all of their pieces, which I feel like really sets them apart from other luxury jewelry brands. You can get things personalized with your initials and names at no extra cost. They also have a big focus on sustainability using recycled materials. So yeah, really just an incredible brand that has so many quality products. I've reviewed some of their necklaces, their bracelets, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a pair of earrings from Abbott Lyon, which I'm super excited about because I haven't tried any of their earrings yet, so we'll see how good they are. Alright, so it wouldn't be an unboxing without the box. Oh, here it is on the inside, what you get in the mail, and I love it when a brand really goes that extra mile with their packaging, and the actual cardboard that it's packaged in has some like fun designs on it, so extra points for that one. But it is so cute. You can see the little Abbott Lyon, the orange, very bright, very fun, and it says that this is made from recycled materials and to please reuse or recycle this, so it will be recycling this box for sure. But yeah, super cute. And then inside we've got this to help I guess it not move around too much when we're shipping it, but okay. There's that, and then at the bottom of the box it has just some of their mottos. They have that all of this is designed in-house, trusted by thousands. They have so many reviews online, really high star ratings. Again, recycled materials, and they do have a really quick, easy customer service group, easy returns, so all of that is just kind of at the bottom of the box here. And then I'll go ahead and grab the little card first. Let's see what it says. So this little card, Abbott Lyon, made more you, and it's kind of this gold metallic. And then the back of it says your little bit of luxury awaits. Super cute. So this just, I'm assuming, is a little care card. Oh, so this kind of gives a little bit of a background, how they have personalized jewelry, which I was talking about, personalized luxury, who will always be, a little bit of background on the company, just a lot of information on here, their sustainability efforts, and then also some of their social media accounts. So just a very informative little card here, gets a lot of information out there. And then the actual jewelry box we're getting to. All right, so here is the actual box of the jewelry, and this is made 100% from recycled materials, so we love some sustainability. Yes, you can see the logo on there. And then this is kind of like a papery outer coat, I guess is the best way to put it. So you go ahead and slide it out of this little covering. Slide this out. So it slides out of this little outer shell, and then, oh, the back of it has the website on it, so abbottlyon.com, which I will be linking down below if you guys want to shop any of their jewelry items. Yeah, so look out for that link. And then here is the actual jewelry box. So here's the same logo, and this one is a bit more textured. I don't know how to explain it, if you can see some of that on the box. And then same with the back, also made of recycled materials, and also has the website again on there. And then the sides of this, you can see some of that gold just shining through. So pretty. So this is another, I guess, cover case of the box. So a lot of layers here, a lot to unbox, which makes it so fun and just gives a very luxurious feeling when you are opening it up. You have all these different layers to unbox, and again, all made from recycled materials, so no waste there. But yeah, so I'll go ahead and just slide out the final piece here. So you go ahead and pull it out from the box. Oh, there it is. So go ahead and put this on this side, and then you have this little gold box. It has a little Abbott Lyon branded jewelry buffer cleaner, which these are so handy. Like, I actually really use these a lot. I think they're just so nice, and I feel like every jewelry brand should put one of these little things in there because, yeah, they're just super helpful and helps keep your jewelry in high quality, looking shiny and nice and clean. So we love that. It has a little AL on it as well. Little branded moment there. And then we still got more. So we have this little card right here, and this one is a little bit of care instructions. So how to keep your jewelry looking at the best. You have some care cards in here, and also their contact information if you have any issues with your piece. So yeah, so it's a little card. And then we have the actual earrings, which are so beautiful, so cute. So here they are in the box. So stunning. Yeah, these are so cute. So I'll go ahead and show you guys, pull them out a little bit more. You can see that they are actually customized. I have my name written on like this front area of them. So you can see I have Tara on there on both of them. Oh, this might be a better way to show you guys. Yeah, hopefully you can see that. I have them customized with my name, but obviously you can put anything you want on it, your name, your friend's name, your mom's name, or you can just put mom or something like that. There are so many different ways you can customize these earrings, and it's all completely free customization, and they are so beautiful. I guess I'll show you guys them on. Like I said, these are my first earrings that I got from them, and they are so cute. I'll have to figure out how to open them. Oh, haha. Don't worry, I figured it out. So you actually can like swing back this piece right here, and that is what like opens it up a little bit. So it's like the little hinge that it's on, and then this like completely hinges out. And then again, the front of it does have my name on it. Super cute. You can see a little Tara, and I like how it has the customization on it, but it's also kind of subtle, since obviously nobody's like really up in your ears like trying to read them and see what's going on. But it's kind of one of those things where you know it's there, and if somebody's like really paying attention, they know it's there. It also makes like for a nice gift too, where it is that customization that is, again, a little bit more subtle, which I think is really pretty. So go ahead and try these on. So then just hinge it back up. All right, I heard the click. There is one on, and this is so pretty. Like, so cute. Get a little like B-roll of this. Yeah, so stinking cute. Okay, let me put the other one in now. Like, I know how it opens now, and I'm still nervous to break them or something. Gonna open it up. All right, we got it. Earring number 2. Going to put that on. Boom, there it is. And these have a little bit of weight to them, but honestly, I feel like that just makes them nice quality. Like, you know, when something has like a little bit of weight to it, it feels like a little bit more luxurious, better quality, as opposed to if something is like super light, it makes it feel a little bit cheap. So these do have some weight to them, which gives it that higher quality, but they're not at all uncomfortable on my ears. Like, I don't feel like they're like dragging me down or anything. But there is a little bit of weight, which also could be the fact that I'm not used to really wearing dangly earrings like this all the time, like at this size. So I wouldn't say that they're heavier really than some of my other nice quality earrings. There might be a little bit of curve getting used to them, but already now I've had them on maybe for a minute or two, and I'm already feeling more comfortable in them. But yeah, super cute. Like, these are so nice. I feel like they also can just go with anything. Like, these could be really fancy. You could dress them up. You can just wear them as everyday casual earrings because they're not too big where they're super statement earring, but they still have like a little bit of oomph to them. Like they can really be just like a nice additive element to your outfits, but they like top it off with your accessories. And yeah, super, super cute. These also do come in a couple of different colors, so you could get them in the regular gold. I have the silver here. A couple different options for you guys if you want some different metals in your life, like if you're going for more a gold look or a silver look. I honestly haven't really dabbled in too much silver jewelry as of late, but I feel like it's making a comeback, and I feel like I truly am a silver girl at heart, but I have been pushing myself into that gold jewelry realm, and I've kind of built up a good amount of gold jewelry pieces, but it's always fun to kind of come back to silver. But yeah, super, super cute. And again, they do have that customization on them right here, where you can see it is, again, really subtle. And again, that customization I think is the perfect mix of being something that is personalized, makes it meaningful, but is also really subtle and not too in your face, which is kind of a nice balance to have in your customized pieces, where some of them are like your name on a necklace, like very obvious that is for you, that's customized, but something like this that's a little more subtle is just like a good variety to have, I think, in your jewelry collection or just in your accessories in general. But yeah, so these are my beautiful new earrings from Abbott Lyon. As always, I'll be linking these exact pair in my description down below, but I'll also link their website in general if you guys want to shop yourself. They have so many cute jewelry items, really great quality. They have necklaces, rings, bracelets, earrings, like all the stuff. All of the things, and they're all super, super cute. I also have a couple more videos where I do review in depth more of their jewelry pieces, like I have a necklace, a bracelet, so if you want to see those videos, I will also be linking those down below as well. And yeah, be sure to leave a comment. Which jewelry item is your favorite? Are you more of a bracelet, ring, earring person? Let me know. I'm just so curious. I feel like I am more of a ring and necklace person, but I feel like I really need to kind of build out my bracelet and earring game. I'm kind of lacking right now, so these definitely are helping me out. And also, if you just enjoy this style video, little luxury jewelry unboxing and review, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, also share it with your friends, give them some jewelry inspiration, some new brands to shop from. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all on the next one.